Asamoah Jan enti na funny face wenya another relapse no. Enye Vanessa.
How was certificate me kun wa me kwa.
Ebusia the children's president and funny face. Yenim say way back 2010, 2011 no Brenipa as one of Ghana's good comedians ani yewo na nansem mu yenim say the relationship and sense with Vanessa edin sem bebre ebaye ema said the okopie mumpo e was psychiatric hospital nansem temi ya hu say Asamoah Jan ene no enam a omokoha ama enam so ama sesi a all coming back on track ni enim senka aso hwa aha let's talk GH rumors. So and any first time I will share my video I make sure say subscribe ama me na wa click notification button me so ama me say de be ya me uploading new video bia e be notify when wa be share e de ama me na funny face be 3 days now dear on my asumu ndwoye kura de bia back to back or the threat ohunu hunankofo no na wo kan sem dim kofo ma metem be kan ya ka say obeku medical yen hwemra
Boxing mo yes your hand. Mr. Body, why did you kill medical? Mr. Your Highness. I didn't take my lagat. Medical me kun kwa. Ibe jama kokos me it's on record. Say my dream coming. Was certificate to show. Medical was certificate. Me kun wa me kwa. Ultimate just Oba sa wa unya. Amu travel. Kaswa na mete. Maybe I finish up here one by one. I am about leko. Minimum shwe. And then I do me kuwa. Minimum shwe. Who can make me kuwa evidence issue? Medical. Dimi wagro. Commissioner Sakatu. Me, there be go flash schizophrenia for medical. 2011 na me winya was who see me to now eh. Kwasi ya 2010 for most popular entertainer of Ghana. 2010 award. Abua. Where's your name?
I said the funny face no. O kan ya threaten ye so obeku medical ye da sorry ya Joyce Mens Joyce Mens former ace ambassador Joyce Mens na sema woka ene say relapse enam so ema funny face keka nsem e social media no Asamoah Jan nim hu bi
Asamoah Jan enti na funny face wenya another relapse no. Enye Vanessa. Asamoah Jan, I didn't know your party no one invite funny face. And I only saw level no with you, right? Oh bueno, you are getting closer to him. But what certain limits, amano. Normal. Obi enya asemwa, and I say obi enya kwenshia. Sa ene kobano. I don't mean to blame you, baby, because you also have your standard. I didn't know your party no one invite no. I didn't see that I perform you on your show time, no. Only an uncle. You know your reasons. Yeah. Won't me become reason to be because it's your life. Asamoah Jan nene brother eba funny face life mono. I know that they meant good. But when dealing with people who have a history of depression and all, a bit difficult. Many people don't know how to deal with people like that. I can tell you for a fact, say, obi enya relapser. Obi also suffer from depression or bipolar, enya relapser. Sad time, and now omu show share the whole world some open assembly. That is the time they disappear. So what depression and that's a bipolar. That's a when you relapse. Sa brand na omo anhu hi omopano. You won't find them anywhere. Montinya maybe a saint no mo sorry and mo tro de mo pena onim de oye ono kwa na problem ana. It is a situation that never goes and koda you manage. Asamoah Jan, someone be showing ya ma Asamoah Jan in the birthday party recently. Organize a live band or not to new near the me who funny face was here. Okay? I told that Asamu buani pa, mun yi makume mu, embuani pano. Mamu fa limit into so. Eto da muyi mwenim to say the mubuane pano edu some kind of levels be na mo chen and say, hey, Charlie, mudi nipa na to certain level be. But some chen and say we are getting close to you, but to a certain level. Mutu mbani fie. But mo ye party dia, he's not allowed to come, right? Oko Mark Brown show so besi ne TV3 for ne funny face in shada anye cool. Unti ontumi kra nko. Ya. De bia me ka chen for say unni depression a hwe ye na wenye bi. Na agi obi a owo sa situation ni mu pe na beti wase. Obi biara oni sa situation ni mu bia ba won chen a onnim de ekọ. They have their limits. How they deal with you no more omakasa set your limiter eda ho. Baby o wa ye kwa ye mfa wonko. Ai. Once upon a time he was very funny. He has entertained all of us. History down the lane. Winya kwinshia. Depression and bipolar setting in it. I thought they be a mu treating no. I said coming close to him, you make it look as if say you are doing him a favor. But na mo mompa say the atuna all struggles is say no. E be entomo. Okay? Just pray that whatever he is going through, no, you don't also find yourself in the same situation. Just pray. One thing about funny face in says when you relapse, ade a trigger no onka no de akoshe bibi fufro. Ade a trigger no onka. Na ode akoshe bibi fufro de bia na ode Vanessa ye care of. But onu kwa na nim de trigger no. But funny face, there is one advice I want to give you. Say, such situation that you are finding yourself in right now, no. Obi eni obetimi aboa. Unkwa na betimi aboa ho. Nobody. Let me tell you one thing, one secret. Abra wo situation bi a hard mo wafafo na wo fro bi a wo susu sesa nipa no na ben onipa no na we show sa love bi a che no sa bre no kra no e bi na sa nipa no kra or worse issues more than yours. Bi na nipa na wo de ho ato ne so se wo situation bi mo wafafo no wo frɛ no no. E bi a sa bre no sa nipa no kra no he is going through a tougher time, but just that they can't come and tell you.
Ebuzia na said the Joyce Mens no chema was say I had to sasa woja aye no ho nya atwom kakra ase baby o ho to me the funny ko baby on so to me fa funny nko no twe say obi a all suffer with mental health no edu say or relapse ya na nkasa time we and we hear nipa e wo ne ho aha let's talk GH rumors. So and then the first time I pop into my video I make sure say obe subscribe ama me no wa click notification button so say the be ya me uploading new video bia onsa ebetimi aka na ebusia ensem we nyina akoso na ye funny face aba be kasa e de akire ye se ye ya adwe se ye Ghana fa ya adwe ye se asamo agyan abama buwa ne ho because okọ wayward no ye bua na ochiema wo se asamo agyan kra ba ne fie ne na oba ye no wa bre no 500,000 Ghana cedis mi kira titiska 5 billion.
Guess what? Asamo agyan ba for jam came here today. To God be the glory. Good news, Asamaja. I'm a person dog me Asamaja. I'm only Bible jump person dog me. Asamaja ba Ghana for Asamaja. Check me 500,000 Ghana cedi. Yes, old 5 billion in my account. Obi bodam na san change sika e ka money dam ba me dam we no e ye bodam ani tie ye friend bipolar e kwa na ba de me ka me se me ka kwasi asem so mechi we kun awo ye ma wo twemu sika me ka sa kire wo me kun me biu dem so. So na ma adwen ne mi kenyina bipolar high and low maniacs episodes eba etwato aso abna kokko de ndie ba no de bia wo ni twemo become sexually active on Joyce Mens me de na become verbally active e bi so become aggressive active on do be possible on this can talk no osre na adwen ati Yes, you the bit market just be cool.
Said the funny SCRO or Chioma Sisicano at an account with your baba baby. Let's talk GH rumors. So, and any first time, my Mr. Selber subscribe, ya mammy, no clicking notification button. So, said the bay, me uploading new video be on sa a bit to miaka. Ma dani na mo like na mo share my meneso. On yamin shamo, be ding edina nepia santwa. Macram.